Hello everybody. We are going to start chapter 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. It is written by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was an Indian filmmaker, screenwriter, music composer, lyricist and author. He was born in Kolkata into a Bengali family. Today, let's start chapter 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. This story is about a person, Bipin Chaudhary, commonly known as Bipin Babu, who completely forgot a part of his life. Everybody made him believe that he had been to Ranchi, but as far as he could remember, he had never gone to Ranchi. How did he regain his awareness about this memory lapse and what happens at the end? Let's read. Here are the main characters of the story. First one is Bipin Chaudhary. He is an old man who had no children. He was living lonely life after his wife's death. He was working in reputed firm at responsible post and have few friends. He had been interested in reading books. Second is Parimal Ghosh. He is a round-faced, humble man who interviewed Bipin Chaudhary in bookshop. Third is Chunni Lal. He is school friend of Bipin Chaudhary. He previously worked in a travel agency but now in search of job. Bipin Babu had also not helped him financially at time of need, so he tried to take revenge by frustrating Bipin's mind. Paresh Chanda. He is a young physician with pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He is called by Bipin Chaudhary to treat memory loss problem. Now the story begins. Bipin Chaudhary's lapse of memory. Lapse of memory means failure of memory. It was a routine for Bipin Chaudhary to stop at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books every Monday when he was on his way home from work. He usually bought books related to crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He bought at least 5 books to read for a whole week. He lived alone and did not have many friends as he was not very sociable. He didn't like spending time in unnecessary talk that had no meaning. On that particular day, Bipin Babu felt as if someone was looking at him continuously for a close distance. As he turned around, he saw a round-faced man staring at him. The man started smiling and asked whether Bipin Babu recognized him or not. Bipin Babu asked the man whether they have met before. The man had a surprised expression on his face. He told Bipin Babu that they had met each day for a whole week in Ranchi in 1958. He also said that he arranged a car to take Bipin Babu to the Hudru Falls. Hudru Fall is a sightseeing place in Ranchi. The man said his name was Parimal Ghosh. Bipin Babu realized that Parimal Ghosh was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never gone to Ranchi. Though he had a desire to go to Ranchi, but he couldn't go there. With a gentle smile, Bipin Babu asked the man, that is Parimal Ghosh, if he really knew who he was. The man said, yes, of course he knew him. Bipin Babu turned towards the bookshelves and said that he was making a mistake. Bipin Babu said that he had never gone to Ranchi. Then the man said that Bipin had a fall in Hudru and had cut his right knee, and he had helped him with iodine. He even mentioned that he had arranged a car for Bipin Babu to go to Natterhat. Natterhat is the place the next day, but unfortunately he couldn't go because of knee pain. Then the man again asked Bipin Babu whether he remembered something about Ranchi or not. Then again Parimal Ghosh tells Bipin Babu that he went to Ranchi with his friend Dinesh Mukherjee. Dinesh Mukherjee stayed in Ranchi with his sister and Bipin Babu stayed in a bungalow. The man Parimal Ghosh told all these to Bipin Babu to remind him his visit to Ranchi. Bipin Babu was amazed by these details the man gave. Then he asked Parimal Ghosh that according to him he was in Ranchi in October 58. But Bipin Babu said that he spent his October attending a puja with a friend in Kanpur. Then Bipin Babu said, then the man again said that one evening he had a tea with him in veranda in Ranchi. The man gives complete details about Bipin Babu's family and told him that he had no children. He had lost his wife 10 years ago and his only brother died in a mental hospital in Ranchi, which is why he did not want to visit mental hospital in Ranchi. Parimal Ghosh told Bipin Babu all these details about his family and his visit to Ranchi. But Bipin Babu was surprised because all the details about his family were correct, but his visit to Ranchi was incorrect because he had never gone to Ranchi. Bipin Babu paid for the books and left the shop, but the man was still looking at him in disbelief.